Hey, it's the lock picking magician here, and I have a Master number 5. This one's a little larger than the Master. If I can find one here that I've had on my other video. I think it was the number 3. There it is. There's the number 3. As you can see, basically the same. I think these blue ones are an older line. They seem to be all coming out in a black. My cat is walking around yanking on the light cord over here. Anyway, let's take a look at the bidding. Pretty good bidding. 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. All right. Let's see, and we'll continue to move right along with our series of raking. I'm going to use the same southward pick. I really like this one. It's nice and smooth, really good quality, but I'll tell you what, sometimes when nothing else is working, I end up using this strange looking Chinese pick that I bought some time ago. Look at that odd shape. If I just really need to attack a lock and rock and roll it open. So let's give this one a go. Just rocking it and raking it and trying to get kind of a false set. Hear those pins just a clicking. Come on. You know you want to open. I know I'm being really rough on this master lock, but you see how I'm setting the pins, and then if I don't get it, I'm letting the tension off and resetting it. And that camera bump was my cat. He's telling me, oh, there we go. All right, Master number 5. All right. Thanks for joining.